Okay, so we're diving deep today into something a little different.
Different, yeah.
And I'm excited about it, right? It's food.
Yeah.
Who doesn't love a good food video?
Especially fried rice, right?
Especially fried rice. And this one's got some interesting things going on. So basically, we found this YouTube video by Onjekwe Ujunwa, and the title is Not Your Regular Kind of Fries, with the hashtag viral video, hashtag viral short, hashtag fried roll, and hashtag fried rice.
Well, a lot of hashtags.
Out of the hashtags, yeah.
Yeah.
Trying to get those views right.
Definitely.
But what's interesting to me right off the bat is the way the creator kind of sets the whole thing up. It's not just a recipe.
Right.
It's like this whole, almost like a mini performance.
Yeah, there's a lot of personality in it.
Yeah, there's a lot of hello, come in here. Like, beckoning us into this this special fried rice experience.
It's very engaging, right?
Yeah, it is. What do you think is the creator trying to do with that?
It's clever, I think.
Yeah.
Because, so many cooking videos out there, it's all about, just the steps.
The steps, yeah.
Just do this, do that. But here you feel like you're part of something. Like you're there with the creator.
Yeah, it's like a little community almost.
Right, exactly.
And then, there's this whole thing about making Sunday rice different.
Yeah.
And I got to ask, what is Sunday rice? For those of us who maybe aren't familiar with Nigerian cuisine.
So Sunday rice is like a tradition in Nigeria, It's a big family meal, usually a huge pot of rice cooked with tomatoes, and they add different things to it. Meats, fish, all sorts of things.
Okay, so it's like the heart of the Sunday meal.
Exactly. It's a big deal. So when the creator says different, they're saying let's shake things up a bit.
I see. So it's not just about the fried rice itself, but it's also about this idea of kind of playing with tradition.
Right. We all love the classics, but sometimes it's fun to try something new.
Yeah, put your own spin on it.
Exactly.
And I feel like we're seeing that a lot in food these days, right?
Yeah.
Everyone's trying to innovate.
Oh, absolutely.
Remember the whole the rainbow bagel thing?
Oh, yeah.
That was crazy.
Food trends come and go.
They do, but it's always about taking something familiar and then just making it Instagrammable.
Yeah, gotta have that visual appeal.
Visual appeal, shareable.
Yeah.
And speaking of visual appeal, did you notice the fried egg?
Oh, the fried egg.
The fried egg. I mean, it just kind of appears there, right? It's not scrambled into the rice or anything.
Right.
It's just this perfect fried egg sitting there.
It's like, what's going on?
Yeah, why? What's the purpose?
I think it's intentional.
Yeah.
Keeps you watching,
A little cliffhanger.
Yeah. Okay, I need to see what happens with this egg.
Right. A little about keeping people hooked.
Exactly. It's a short video. You gotta make it count.
And then I love the way the creator goes in on the garlic and ginger.
Oh.
Those are pretty standard aromatics, right?
Yeah.
But they really make a big deal out of it.
Yeah, I noticed that.
It's like they're saying, this is where the magic happens.
Yeah, and frying garlic and ginger, that's a classic in a lot of Asian cooking, especially Chinese, Southeast Asian, really builds that base for savory, fragrant dishes.
I see.
So it's giving you a hint about the flavor profile, getting you excited for what's coming.
Yeah. So it's not just random, I like garlic and ginger. It's actually building up the anticipation.
Exactly. It's all connected.
Wow. So we've got this whole, this Sunday rice, this emphasis on kind of